This is now tutorial video number 3. What I'm going to show you is how to set up the conversion ad. So we're going to go ahead and create a new campaign. We're going to call this conversions, change the objective to conversions, put a 1 and a 1 and save to draft. Now we're going to jump over to the one ad. You're going to download the video that I've sent to you on the document. I'm going to upload the video now. First, I need to download it myself. Now that I have the video downloaded, I'm going to upload it. Now that the video is uploaded, I'm going to scroll down. Now for the text, you're going to put that where it says link goes here. You have to put the customer's website URL. Put the customer's URL right there. Change that a little bit. Put the website URL right there. Put the headline. And then the pixel is on. Make sure the pixel is on. So it looks like that. Now we're going to give it a test. But first, that's the ad. Now we're going to go to click on number 1. And we're going to change put right here, the website conversion. Website conversion purchase, just like that. Okay, and now we're going to daily budget. We can start with $10 a day. Then for the audiences, click on here. Add all of these. Okay. Now we can see we have USA as the country. Everything else can stay the same. What we're going to do here is copy this. I'm going to type USA, % combo, just like that. It says there's an error here, the link is missing. Okay. So I gotta put the link in there. What happened? So I put the link, the button, change the button to learn more. Just like that. Let's see. Okay, now all the errors are gone. That's what it should look like. Now we'll go back to this part. Okay, so That's the first step. We're going to publish this. We want to see that it gets active, and then we can do the next part. Publish. So now we'll wait until it gets approved, and then I will show you the next step.